Hello and welcome to one more episode of Give Me the Mic. This is a quick video. I'm going to show you a tool that I found online and I'm shocked that not so many people know about. This is a free, no-code machine learning module that you can use images or video to create your own module and deploy it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the tool, build a module with you, and then deploy it, and I'll include the links for the tool and my deployed module so you can test it for yourself and go crazy with it. This tool is free, it's by Google, and it's called Teachable Machines. So if you go to the website Teachable Machines, you'll see lots of materials around this tool so you can learn about it. I'm not going to tell you any about that, you can do it for yourself. I'm going to show you how it works. So let's create our project. I want to create an image project, and there's standard image project and embedded. You can read the differences, but we'll go with the standard model. And here, this is the no-code outlook of this model that you build. You build the classes that you want the machine learning to work on, and then you do the training process, and then you can deploy it. For me, the project I want to create, hypothetically here, is that in the future, maybe I want to create an application that I can use to control my TV just by my face or my head gesture, looking up, down, just to move channels up and down, and maybe swipe right and left using my face, so swipe right, swipe left. Now, to be able to do that, I need something, a module, that will basically be able to read my face and give me an output which says up, down, right or left. And my code, I can use those to do these functions of swiping right or left or changing channels up and down. To do that, I can use simply Teachable Machines, which is free, no code. And the way you train it is you can give it images, or you can just feed it from your webcam, as you can see here. So I don't have images for up or down or right or left. I'm going to use my webcam and I'm going to feed it with that information from there. Okay, so I'll start with up and we'll go to the webcam. That's my webcam. Let me position it a better spot. Probably you can see me through my nice 4K and my cheap webcam. So now I want to hold this button and start little bit emotion, doing emotion up, so it will start capturing that data. It's not learning anything yet. So I had some 252 images in this one. I think it's enough for testing. Let's go do down. Again, webcam, I'll hold. This is the motion for down, I guess. 286, enough. I'll add one more class, right. Again, it will be my right. Again, I'll click the webcam, right, right, right. So I have 300 pictures for that. Then lastly, I want to have left. This is my last sample I want to add. And this is where I look left. So I'll hold it. This is left, me looking left, or lefty, little bit left-like. I have 237 images for this one. Now I have those three samples with each of them is a class of its own. I have up, down, right, and left. So I will train the model. Simply click this button and it will start training. So it usually takes a little bit of time to do the training of that module, depending on the data that you input into the training module, and we are done. Now you can see the demo of the module here. Definitely you can do higher quality input for it, so it will be more accurate, but this is just for the video and testing purposes. And what's doing down there, you can see the 4 classes and the probability that you're looking in whatever direction is there. So let's test it. I look up, 100% up, 100% down, right. I think this is good enough. If I want to create the application that hypothetically I talked about in the beginning, this is good enough. Now we can do, see, right, left, up, down. I can control something with this. So this module, there is code that you can get behind this. I can get it and I can basically load it into my own application that I get this as an input and then create an action. So let's export the model. So you can simply click on this button here, and there's so many options for you to export it. So you can upload it as a shareable link. You can actually do a download. And when you share it, by the way, you will get access to even a GitHub repository that you can create and put on your GitHub account, and you can share with others. I think this is the intent out of the whole thing. So let's create a shareable link for us that I will share with everyone. And this is what we want to do. And you can contribute to GitHub by clicking this one here, as I mentioned. So for me, again, I just want the shareable link. I'll just click upload my module, and now it's basically putting the files together and uploading the whole thing. So now I have the link ready. So this is my link. I copy it. If I open new window and I paste and go, I'll have a running model. So you can see the model here, down, right, left, everything is here. You have the repo for your GitHub. If you want to basically offer it to others, I think we can get it straight from here just by clicking the folders. And from the this page here, I think you can as well take the code itself and deploy it wherever you think is necessary. So this was a quick one. I think it's amazing that we have part of this whole revolution of AI and no code, that we have such tools at our fingertips. Go use it, play with it, and I will leave it for the ether and the internet to get so creative with this and do crazy stuff. And please write me a comment in the comment section. What would you use such a model, a free model, for, and what would you build? And hey, don't forget to check out one of my recent videos. One is around how to start building your SaaS with Webflow, Wiz, and Xano, and do the Google authentication part as a start, as the first step for the user sign up. And one other video of how to build a comment bot on YouTube and get ChatGPT to respond to comments that are coming in on your channel. Everything I give out for free. So go check both and enjoy them. And do not forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you really enjoy my content. Thank you very much and goodbye.